So Figma MCP has been released, at least for free users. It's now available, and I'm a free user, so let's give it a shot. I just want to quickly show you the rundown. So I've been playing around with automation in regards to YouTube uploading. This is all in a previous video, but then I added this additional prompt here. Can you provide ideas on what the thumbnail should look like? I value simplicity, blah, blah, blah. It gave me a handful of options, and I liked option 1 the most. So I said, write me a prompt I can pass to Claude Code that has access to Figma via the MCP server to implement number 1. And here it generated me a prompt. So this is the prompt we're going to be using. But before we do that, I have Claude Code here. Let me just show you how I authenticated. So I did this one right here, Claude MCP add, scope user, transport, blah, blah, blah. This is from their docs. I'll provide a link to the docs in the description. And then once you're in, you can do MCP and just ensure Figma here is, let me just make this a little bigger, Figma is in fact authenticated. It just opens up a browser window, easy peasy. All right, let's do it. I haven't tried this yet, so here I am pasting that prompt, the generated prompt. I have Figma here. So this is what I was going to go with originally. I was like, I don't really like that. I'm sure it could be better. Oh, it says it's already done. All right, let's see. I should be ready to export. Okay. Not bad. How do I, can I edit this? No. Let's see here. Let's just make this, how about purple? You know what? Let's make the text a bit larger. Code executed. Let's give it a refresh. Let's see. So this is at 120. Subtitle. That's probably fine. And provide the path to. Okay, it looks good. Let's export it. Oh, that's unfortunate. So I can't programmatically export. Okay. So clearly it still has its limitations. We'll just do this, export. And there we have it. So I am going to be using this in my video. So use this. And so now here I can do this. And this is from a previous video where I'm using the CLI to actually upload and interact with my YouTube content. And here it says it's actually already done. Wow. Boom. And we're online. So it's a pretty sweet flow. I'm a fan and I'm gonna continue using it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be uploading this one using code as well. Take care.